Hey guys, there is a thing that is quite visible in that the image of the OnePlus is destroying at the fast pace. It is because of the several reasons that OnePlus made this year. So that's why OnePlus needs to be very careful with the next flagship launch, absolutely, which will be the OnePlus 90. And OnePlus 90 might become the game changer for the OnePlus. OnePlus 90 is a device that make the whole market would be looking for. Like the last year, OnePlus might stick to a single variant for the T lineup. All the rumors suggested that OnePlus 90 is a single device which will be coming in the OnePlus 90 series. If the company follows its annual timeline, we can expect to see the smartphone out in the international and Indian market in the October this year. According to TechDroider, OnePlus 90 will be coming with the LTPO display by Samsung. TechDroider also shows lots of information about the display of OnePlus 90 series but didn't share any information about its specification. As per of the Vivo post, OnePlus 90 will come with the 120Hz LTPO E4 flexible screen. This will support a 1080p resolution as well as a variable refresh rate. This means that the smartphone display will be able to adjust the refresh rate as per the usage pattern. Through the information that's shared by these sources, cannot be confirmed as yet that OnePlus will likely follow the launch cycle to introduce the upgraded version of OnePlus 9 in a more affordable package than OnePlus 9 Pro or not. As for what to expect on the smartphone, it is likely to come with the Qualcomm's top Snapdragon 888 processor coupled with the 8GB of RAM and 128GB of the internal storage. We can also expect a 65W fast charging support with the support of OnePlus new OxygenOS 12 and Android 12 update out from the box. We can also expect the comeback of headphone jack in the OnePlus 90. Let's see what will happen with the OnePlus 90. There are lots of users who didn't purchase OnePlus 9 series devices because of the low number of 5G bands. Also, there's a thing that OnePlus needs to understand. India is a price sensitive market, so OnePlus should make its device more cheaper than the other countries. Even though there's no 5G network available in India, but what happen if 5G network get available in upcoming days and a user who expanded its 50,000 or more on a OnePlus 9 series of device, thinking that OnePlus 9 series devices are a good 5G device, and now he couldn't experience a better 5G network connectivity on its OnePlus 9 series of device. So what happens to his or her heart? So my first suggestion to OnePlus is to add more bands of 5G in upcoming OnePlus 90 series. Every OnePlus device that had launched lately has lots of bugs. Even through the OnePlus 8 series which launched last year also have lots of bugs. So my first suggestion for OnePlus is to reduce all the bugs that are coming on their devices. And this mistake by the OnePlus tells the market that OnePlus is rushing to release its smartphone. Even though every company has defined targets and timeline to launch products, and OnePlus is not different. One thing that OnePlus should needs to understand, if it takes a little bit more time than originally planned to launch a product, its market share in India won't be going to reduce. Even though OnePlus has a loyal fan base, these are some things that OnePlus should understand before launching lots of products.